Hello mga guys, it's Genevieve the Billy Norman. Guys, this is the front of the house. Like that. The front of the house of ours. Hindi pa noon kasi like ito lang siya. Since we are living na we are what is this? Nakatira na kami guys. My husband is putting like that. Oo. Sa hindi pa nakakaintindi. Ako kasi yung interpreter at saka yung yung I am the interpreter then what is this? I know because I am the wife. Yung car namin guys, pangalawa na siya tapos kasi naging gray, puti yung una tapos maganda naman siya tapos ngayon basta car namin yan, isa lang yung car namin. Hindi ako marunong mag-drive. I cannot drive. I don't know. I cannot drive a car. Maybe because I cannot drive a car. Maybe because dahil I'm brave woman, I can afford to walk. There is bus over there. Kung magiging poor ba ako, hindi hadlang sa akin yun dahil may bus kasi eh. Ito kasi yung the husband is the husband is the one fixing and then the husband is fighting. Nagmana ata ito sa tatay niya at isa pa yung nanay niya yun sick, hindi normal. It's sad to see, kaya parang ayoko nang mag-anak, ayoko nang magiging nanay sa aming anak kasi yung nanay niya parang hindi naman tao tapos abnormal. It's ano ngayon pa guys, it's yung spring pa kasi kaya parang ganito yung formation ng bahay namin. We are living in the forest. Ganito talaga ang makikita mo all the time. Parang routine ba siya guys? Ito talaga basta after winter, ito talaga ang makikita except na lang kung bago-baguhin mo. Sa'yo na lang kung pabago-bago. Basta guys, ngayon it's spring. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Bye.